Printer paper handling, tray capacity and media types. Title: Printer paper handling, tray capacity and media types. Introduction. Printers are an integral component of our daily work routine, whether at home or in the office. As we strive for efficiency and quality in our printing tasks, understanding printer paper handling becomes crucial. Two key aspects to consider when it comes to printer paper handling are tray capacity and media types. In this article, we will explore these factors in depth, providing insights into their importance and impact on printing performance. Tray capacity. Printer tray capacity refers to the maximum number of sheets that can be loaded into a printer's paper tray. The capacity varies across different printer models and can significantly impact productivity. It is essential to choose a printer with an appropriate tray capacity that aligns with your printing requirements. 1. Small tray capacity. Some printers are designed with smaller tray capacities, typically ranging from 50 to 100 sheets. These printers are suitable for personal or small office use, where printing demands are relatively low. While these printers may not accommodate large print runs, they are compact and cost-effective for handling smaller printing tasks. 2. Large tray capacity. In contrast, printers with larger tray capacities, often exceeding 250 sheets, are ideal for high-volume printing scenarios. These printers can handle extensive print jobs without constantly requiring paper refills. Suitable for large offices or organizations with heavy printing needs, they maximize productivity by reducing time wasted on reloading paper. Understanding the tray capacity of a printer is crucial in avoiding productivity bottlenecks. Opting for a printer with a tray capacity that matches your printing requirements ensures uninterrupted workflow and minimizes the need for constant paper refills. Media types. Printers support various media types, such as plain paper, photo paper, envelopes, labels, and cardstock. Understanding the compatibility of different media types with your printer is essential to achieve optimal print quality and prevent damage to both the printer and the media being used. 1. Plain paper. Plain paper is the most commonly used type of media for everyday printing tasks. It is suitable for printing documents, text-heavy reports, or basic graphics. Printers have specific settings for ply and paper to ensure proper ink absorption and prevent smudging. 2. Photo paper. Photo paper is specifically designed for printing high-quality images with sharp details and vibrant colors. It comes in different finishes, such as glossy, matte, or satin, providing options for different preferences. When printing photos, adjusting printer settings to match the type of photo paper used will yield the best results. 3. Envelopes. Printers equipped with envelope feeding capabilities allow for printing addresses directly on envelopes without the need for manual handwriting. Since envelopes differ in thickness and texture, it is crucial to consult the printer's manual to ensure the correct loading orientation and settings for envelope printing. 4. Labels. Labels are commonly used for shipping, organizing files, or creating product stickers. Printers with label printing capabilities allow for accurately aligned and clean results. It is important to select printers that support the specific label size and follow loading instructions to avoid misprints or paper jams. 5. Cardstock. Cardstock is a thicker, sturdier printing medium ideal for creating business cards, invitations, or other professional prints. Printers with a cardstock printing option have settings to handle the increased paper thickness, preventing paper jams or possible damage. Understanding the compatibility of different media types with your printer ensures optimal print quality and performance. Using the wrong media type can result in poor print output, paper jams, or and damage to both the printer and the media being used. In summary, printer tray capacity and media types are essential factors to consider when it comes to printer paper handling. The tray capacity determines the maximum number of sheets a printer can hold. LD, with smaller capacities suitable for personal or small office use, and larger capacities ideal for high-volume printing. Understanding the tray capacity ensures uninterrupted workflow and minimize the need for frequent paper refills. Media types refer to the different types of paper supported by printers, including plain paper, photo paper, envelopes, labels, and cardstock. Each media type has specific settings and requirements to achieve optimal print quality. Using the correct media type prevents damage to both the printer and the media being used, avoids misprints and paper jams, and enhances the overall printing experience. Investing time in understanding printer paper handling empowers users to make informed choices and optimize their printing tasks. Additional content. In addition to tray capacity and media types, there are other factors that can affect printer paper handling. These include paper size compatibility, automatic duplexing, and paper handling features. 1. Paper size compatibility. Printers have specific paper size limitations, and it is crucial to ensure that your desired paper size is supported. Common paper sizes include letter 8,5 by 11 inches, legal 8,5 by 14 inches, A4 210 by 297 millimeters, and tabloid 11 by 17 inches. If you frequently print documents in non-standard sizes, such as booklets or brochures, make sure the printer you choose can accommodate those sizes. 2. Automatic duplexing. Automatic duplexing is a convenient feature that allows the printer to print on both sides of the paper without manual intervention. This feature not only saves paper but also reduces printing time and increases efficiency. If you frequently print double-sided documents, investing in a printer with automatic duplexing capability can be beneficial. 3. Paper handling features. Some printers offer advanced paper handling features that can further enhance productivity. These features may include paper sorting, stapling, hole punching, or even booklet making. If you have specific requirements for document finishing, consider printers that offer these additional paper handling features. By considering these additional factors along with tray capacity and media types, you can choose a printer that meets all your printing needs. It is important to thoroughly research and compare different printer models to ensure you make an informed decision. Printer paper handling is an important consideration for achieving efficient and high-quality printing. Understanding tray capacity and media types is crucial, but there are other factors that can affect printer paper handling as well. These factors include paper size compatibility, automatic duplexing, and paper handling features. Paper size compatibility refers to the supported paper sizes that the printer can accommodate. Common paper sizes include letter, legal, A4, and tabloid. If you frequently print documents in non-standard